Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share my small bathroom decoration for Valentine's Day. Even it is small bathroom, I have great and big ideas for it. Stay with me to the end and enjoy this video. To start, I have these jars from Dollar Tree and I just put a ribbon and 2 hearts on top of it, also from Dollar Tree. I have 3 of them, one for the cotton balls, for the alcohol, and for the swaps. Now I have these beautiful plaques also from Dollar Tree to put in each corner of the jars. I have 2 of them, but they are different. For the top of the tank, I have this beautiful vase with purple flowers. It's a leftover in the house and I just add a ribbon. And I have this shell that also is a leftover and I just put a big heart with small glitter hearts from Dollar Tree and 2 hand towels. And then beside them, I'm gonna put this small beautiful gnome also from Dollar Tree. On top of the cabinet, I put a love bearer sign there and also a plague sign. I already have that cactus there. And oh my God, you have to see this shower curtain. I'm in love with it. It has the Eiffel Tower. It says Happy Valentine's Day. A tree, a heart tree. It has balloons, bicycles, a gnome, he and she, a bear. Oh my God, I really in love with it. I got it in Shein for $13. In the wall, I have this picture that is the top of my dreams. Then the heart hand towel. I have one here and one on the kitchen. Follow your heart sign from Dollar Tree. And here I have a set of towels, love for all, a pink one, red and white, a white rug, another towel with different color hearts, and this cotton balls garland. That one is from Dollar General. In one corner of the sink, I have this clear tray, and on the clear tray, I want to put this cup to put my toothbrush and my toothpaste. And I'm gonna put another cup that I have. In that cup, I only put cups and some things that I use in the morning. There is my baby's cup also. And for the hand soap, I have this beautiful Eiffel Tower, and I just put a ribbon on it and a glitter heart. I got that hand soap around 4 years ago. I have this small Eiffel Tower tray to put my earrings when I came back from work. On this side of the sink, I'm gonna put that small silver tray, and on top of it, I'm gonna put this candle. It's a Paris one from Bath and Body Works. I have it from last year and I just put 3 hearts on it. I have this Eiffel Tower. It lights up, but right now it's not working. And I just put on the wood base, I put a heart ribbon. This aside is in top of the mirror. I just put the same garland, the cotton one, with different colors from the lamp. One light bulb is not working. I have to change that. Here I am. Hi everybody. And I have a shelf under the mirror, and I'm just gonna put some decoration there. This plaque that says "You have my heart." It is from Dollar Tree, as well as the other plaque that says "Love You." One in each corner of the shelf. And this beauty self-love elixir, that is from Target. I got the pink one and the red one from the dollar spot, and I paid $1 for each one. And in the middle of it, I'm gonna put this garland. Sorry, I'm holding my phone. This one says keys. It has 4 hearts on it. That one is from Dollar General. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That helps so much to support it. See you in the next video. Kisses and hugs. Bye.